Hi, welcome to PayRules tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll learn how to hide the payment method for minimum and maximum total quantity using the PayRules app. First, open PayRules app. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. Select minimum or maximum total quantity condition. For example, we'll add a minimum total quantity condition. Next, in the total quantity condition field, enter the quantity you want to set. We will enter 3. You'll need to give your rule a name. Remember, this is just for internal use to help you identify the rule later. Now go to the Payment Methods section and click on the Add or Type a New Payment Method button, then select Cash on Delivery. Finally, click on the Save button. We will hide cash on delivery if the order has less than 3 items. Now let's test our rule. We already have products with a total quantity of 4 in the cart. As you can see, cash on delivery is currently visible on the checkout page. Now let's remove some products to reach a quantity less than 3 and check if cash on delivery gets hidden as per the condition. As you can see, the cash on delivery payment method is gone. That's its simple way to hide payment methods with PayRules. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page where you'll find email and WhatsApp details. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!